Hello everyone, I'm João Dias, real estate consultant in the center of Portugal, and today I'm in Cafede. Cafede is a small village around 5 kilometers with Castelo Branco at north, okay? I have a house, urban article, license for living, but need rebuilding 100%, okay? It's a ruin, needs all works, you have the principal structure, okay, but I present you after and you confirm it don't have any conditions for living, okay? You have original 3 floors, one, another, and one more up, you see? And let's check it out for present you. The video is the possible. Inside is not secure enter, you see that, but hope you like it, okay? I try to do my best. I put photos and videos with my drone, and you know, all the description, the text have the areas and that, a lot of information. But if I forgot something, please contact me, okay? Because it's a pleasure try to help you. Enjoy and see you the next video. Okay, that is the house. The principal road stay there. Café have a mini market only. At the moment don't have nothing more because stay very near to Castelo Branco, 5 kilometers only, and the people do all their life there. All that is the houses, okay? Is the urban article with license for living, okay? Condition is it needs to rebuilding 100%, but it's a urban stay in the village, have juice, electricity and water, have all. It's in the center of the village, okay? And the board in that case is that wall, stone wall, okay? And you have the first floor. Second floor is here you have a terrace, I'm going there, and when you see that table, is the name of the street, start another houses, okay? The houses is only for right side, the windows is and the door, it's too, okay? Now I'm going there for present you, turn around. I'm in the middle of Café, remember? Okay, that's it, I tell you. For that way it's another house, okay? But for selling, I have that house at the moment, okay? The principal door, the windows, and now it's possible you confirm the conditions, don't have. That's there too. It's a big risk to stay here because all the wood and all this inside the structure, if you see the roof here, broke it, and need works, need to rebuilding. You don't have conditions for working more here, sorry. And that's it. Okay, it's a space that for parking, and that's very easy here. Okay, you have beautiful views upstairs, I'm sure, because I know the area, but that is the possible video because the dolls don't have condition of security for going inside. That's it. Remember, learn the description. Any question you have it, please contact me. Okay, because it's a pleasure. Try to help you. See you in the next video.